how are you doing today? I'm Dol. Today I'm here to show you guys a brief introduction into the Python for data science, how you can create a short data science project, and then you can do your data. So I'm going to create a Jupyter notebook, and then I basically install the libraries to start my project. I'm going to use the markdown here to make sure that I create the libraries, and then I'm going to those are the libraries that I'm going to install. So there's a brief intro into how the libraries should be done. Those are the libraries. Secondly, I'm going to generating the simple dataset, like a dataset to get the information of the things from. So I'm going to generate the dataset. So this is the dataset. So the dataset will, in the libraries, I imported pandas as pd, numpy as here. So here as np. So here I'm going to seaborn, and then these seaborn I'll be using as, then matplotlib, these ones I'll be using for plotting and getting the other essential information. Now I'm going to use the numpy to set the random seed numpy. Then this one will meet the generation. Then I'm going to export the essential. I'm going to export the dataset to print what I wanted to see. So I'm going to print, export the library. Okay, so here I'm going to print. This is the dataset that I was going to have an idea about. And then, so as you can see, dataset overview. So you're going to dataset overview. You see that the columns are here from 0 to 4, and then the features. Then now I'm going to visualize the dataset. I'm going to visualize the data. To visualize the data, I'm going to use the essential seaborns, the seaborn library, to make sure that I plot, and then I get the information from the dataset that I've used. So here I'm going to, now as you can see, that these are all the plots. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 features up to 4. Then now I'm going to split the data into test and train and set to get the information from the x and y into x and y test and train. Then these are for already trained. Then now I'm going to the other step. Use a simple linear regression model, where the model will be used to fit the x and y trains. So I'm going to use, so I'll set model equals to linear regression model to get it. So here, now I'm going to, now you see the model is already initialized. Now I'll make the predictions. The predictions will be made so that I get an idea of what the dataset is about, and then how the model is predicted, how the model can make predictions without any restriction, like how the model can make predictions. And then now, after making the predictions, setting the model to make predictions, I'm going to evaluate the model evaluation. These are just simple steps on how you can evaluate your model. So I'll use the mean square errors, like for the y and x test, and then I'll also use the tool r square to get the scores, and then I'll do the model performance to predict. I'm going to print the model evaluation, and then now as you can see, this is how the model evaluation. The mean square error is 12.28 to 122.60. The square is that 0.2. So then now I'm going to visualize the predictions. So that I see like what really happened. So this is the visualization. Now here's our output. I think this. Then you can save. Bye.